Hi, my name is Anu Patel and I am the founder of adsgenith.com. In this video today, I am going to talk about the transparency labels, transparency program. So transparency labels are basically codes, scannable codes like FNSKU codes, where FNSKU codes are used by Amazon team to identify your products in Amazon warehouses. The Amazon transparency labels are used to identify the authenticity of your products by Amazon and by Amazon shoppers. So once you start using transparency labels, no one else apart from you can sell your products. Sounds a little bit confusing, right? Let me make it easy for you. Okay, let me find a product to give you an example. Okay, so I found this one, this pen. So let's assume you started selling this pen and you took the brand registry with the brand name Director. I see the Director is the brand name of this pen. So let's assume you started selling this pen with the brand name Director. You did your research, you found out, the supplier in maybe China or somewhere else, on Alibaba again or somewhere else. You ordered these pens with your brand name Director and started selling on Amazon. You spent time and money in the listing, copy, graphics, video, A+ content and whatnot. And when you got established with this item, you got a lot of reviews. You started getting 2,000, 3,000 sales per month. One new seller came, he saw this pen, he somehow found out from where you bought this pen and he ordered the same pen with your brand name and he started selling under your product detail page and he started giving your business a dent, your sales a dent. For who don't know, anybody can sell your item under your product detail page if you have not protected with transparency labels. Okay. So now when you enroll in transparency program, Amazon provides you a code unique for single item. So if you are going to send 5 units of these items, you need to get 5 unique codes from Amazon. And because you can only, like brand owner can only get these codes from Amazon, no one can get these codes, and as I said earlier, without these codes, no one can send the inventory to Amazon and no one can sell these products. Yeah, FBM too. No one can sell these products via FBM modes too. So your product detail page is secure and safe. And now you might be thinking that it is a very hectic and very tough process or very expensive process. So let me tell you, it is not. It is very easy to set up and very cheap to get these codes. Okay, so now I'm going to share my screen and show you step by step how you can, get these codes for your products. But before I go ahead, let me tell you, I see a lot of time, many people watch my videos, but somehow they don't subscribe. So please subscribe my channel and hit a like if you learn something new from my channel, from my videos. This will give me a lot of, motivation to create new videos, and I promise I'll keep creating content. This kind of content to make complicated, process of Amazon easy for you. Okay, so let's dive into my computer screen now. Okay, so we are inside my computer screen now and I have already opened the transparency portal to show you, and this part, the account name is hidden for the privacy of my clients. Okay, so let's see the steps. So you see here, there are 4 steps, visible here. Get started, add products, request codes, and enable OPR. So get started means, to onboard, to, to sign up on the transparency portal. And it is very easy to sign up on the transparency portal. You simply need to search for transparency. Okay, see transparency Amazon, open the first, link, and then, okay, go here, down, and here you see how do I get started with transparency. Hit on get started, and they will ask you simple question, enroll brands in existing account, create a separate account, homepage. So you can go ahead with your according to your accounts and according to your accounts and preferences. And now let's go back on the dashboard here. So now you see the second step is add products, which means enroll products in transparency program. Once you are enrolled, once you have enrolled your products, then you need to request codes from Amazon, and once you have requested the codes, you need to get those codes printed. I don't know why Amazon has not put that as a step, but that's a crucial part. You need to get those codes printed, and then once you get those codes, you need to enable the OPR before you send the inventory. Okay, so now let's talk about all the process one by one. So you have already onboarded on transparency program, but still let me open this in a new window. Okay, so here if you go, okay, let's get back here. So second point is add products. So enroll your products in transparency program. Simply go over here, open this, and okay, hold on, let me go back. Here, enroll your product in Amazon. Then you will get this this kind of dashboard where you can simply generate the spreadsheet, the template, and download file. And okay, so this is downloaded. Once you open this one, it is opening. Yes, you can see you need to put your information here. Like you see, do you want to print your labels in house or receive them in a PDF format? Okay, so you want to print your labels in-house, or you want to use a service provider. You have both the options. So let's assume you want to do in-house, so simply choose yes. Then you need to apply dual codes to your products. If yes, fill in the applicable columns. Why would we need to apply dual codes? Let's simply deny this one. And brand name you need to put the product title, product SKU, GTIN, ASIN, manufacturing country, state. These are optional, state and city. If you have, you can put, otherwise simply leave it. Fill in if you want to print your labels in-house. So fill these if you want to print in-house, and then fill if you need to apply dual codes on your product. Select the secondary product type. Only applicable if you need to apply a secondary code to your product. I don't know what is this exactly, but we don't need it. I have worked on many transparency labels, and we don't need it for sure. Okay, so let's say we got this template filled, and then we need to get back to here. Simply choose that template and upload. Once you upload, your enrollment will be done, most of the cases in the same day. Once you have done the enrollment, you need to click on the request codes. Once you click on the request codes, you will see your products visible here. I have grayed out for the customers client's privacy. Again, you simply need to click on the title, and then you see this part you will be visible. You see, simply hit on the request number of codes you want to request, and simply hit on request code. I'm not doing here. It will charge, Amazon will charge. Okay, simply request codes, and once you are done with this one, go here, request codes, and then download product request codes. So okay, here, yeah, here you see code history. Once you click on code history, you will see all the codes here. You can download them from in CSV format or in PDF format based on the printing method you have chosen. Now let's get back again on the home page. So now you have enrolled, you have signed up on the transparency portal, you have enrolled your products, you have requested codes. Now you need to print your labels. So now we need to get here. Okay, let me open this again, get started. And here if you see enroll your product, choose your labels and printing method. So first method is in-house printing. So in-house printing offers greater flexibility, of course, because you can print you can print your labels by yourself, and you don't need to rely any third-party company or software to enable this feature. Select the in-house printing when you enroll in the products like I showed you here. Simply select yes, and then you fill all these details simply, right? And then go back. Okay, then in order to print these transparency code, download the PDF of labels and print using the thermal transfer printer 300 dpi or greater. So this is a way you can get these transparency label printed in-house, but most of the cases people don't want to go in that hassle to print the labels by themselves. So for those, there are transparency service providers. These are tied up with Amazon. They have some contract or something, and you can see here on Amazon.com, and Amazon is giving these details. This is Etiquette Europe, this is Fine Line Technologies. They are providing their services globally, and I have used their services. They are very good, and I have not found any issues so far. I have used their services more than 10 times so far, or even more than 20 times, I don't remember exactly. So of course this video is not sponsored. I am just recommending them because they are professional and they are very easy to work with. So if we open Fine Lines, you simply go on their website and you can hit on fast track login. The fast track is the portal they use, and then you can create a new account from here. You can provide your address to ship the labels, of course, and all those details. And okay, so once you are here, you have created an account. There are two ways you can get the course printed. One is API method. They will ask for the API access, and then they will get the course by themselves using API. Otherwise you need to provide the course, and you need to fill a template, like this kind of template they will provide you, and you need to put your details and upload on their website. By the way, it is very easy to work with them because they will jump on a call with you and guide you step by step how to do it. So very easy. And what else? So yeah, let's assume you got the course, and now once you got the codes in your warehouse, you need to enable the OPR before you ship your products with the codes to FBA. And to enable OPR, very simple process. You need to simply click on manage OPR, download the file, again a template, and you need to download here the template, and simply here you need to put GTIN, the OPR turn on date, and simply put yes or no based on your preferences. Let me tell you, once you enabled OPR, make sure there's no any inbound inventory going to Amazon FBA. Otherwise you will get an error. Your OPR report will give you low points. You need to gather 99% more accuracy, and your accuracy will be not good. If you send your transparency label, you started OPR when you had some shipments going into FBA without the code. So basically, when you turn on the OPR, Amazon knows that now when you will send the new inventory, the transparency labels will be there on those new packages. Okay, so now let me go back. Okay, so this is how transparency works. Very easy, again I will say. And now I would like to cover some of the questions frequently asked. Question number 1 is, I sell in multiple marketplaces. Do I need to enroll for each marketplaces I sell? No, transparency labels are global. Once you enroll in any marketplace, you are protected. Your product detail page is protected in all over the marketplaces, USA, Canada, Germany, France, UK, anywhere in the world. Now, what if hijackers get my transparency labels? There is no chance, because as I said earlier in the video, no one can get these codes apart from you. And is it very expensive? Not at all. Let me give you an example, and I'll put this code also for you. This link, fast track. No, Fine Line, transparency labels size here. So this here, if you see, so there are basically 4 types of labels you will get. I'll cover that in a separate video. And label 1 is a small label. You get only transparency labels printed. And then we have label 4, where you get the transparency labels on FNSQ labels, FNSQ codes on the same label. That will give you a you can save some money. You don't need to get the transparency labels and FNSQ labels printed separately. You can get both of them on the same label. So this is the most expensive label, and they are charging 18.25 cents per K. So if you do the maths, so simple 1000, so 18.225 divided by 1000, not 10,000, 1000. Okay, you see, almost 2 cents per code. And similarly, the Amazon transparency labels are also, Amazon charges for transparency codes actually. Okay, so you see, the cost is 1 cent per code when ordering more than 10 million 10 cents. Okay, what is the minimum? The cost here, you see, the cost is typically between 1 and 5 cents per unique code for each unit within a SKU. So you see, let's assume 5 cents. So if we assume 5 cents for the codes and 2 cents for the printing, 5 cents for the delivery, it's still 10 to 12 cents per code. So you see, this is very cheap. And I already explained how to enroll, so it is very easy also. So you can enroll in transparency labels, and in case you get any issue, you can always reach out to me, Anoop at @artsgenit.com, on my email. Okay, that's it.